Yo, broski, gagi pares. So again, this is Konyo Bicolano. Di ko alam kung paano mag-intro and all, pero like super taram-taram lang tayo. Like I'm gonna tell you a story about, a fun experience I had last night. Kasi ano pa lang ako parang 9 months as a content creator talaga, and I'm very thankful mga broskis for giving me this platform talaga. Day by day nagdadarakula talaga siya, mas nagiging magabat yung responsibility and all, but I'm not complaining. I'm so ugma for this opportunity. And sabi ko gaano na ba kadakula ang Konyo Bicolano for sa loob ng 9 months. I was so surprised because I had a privilege na ma-surprise yung isang like super legit na fan ng Konyo Bicolano that's actually based in Manila right now. Considering na isa siyang Bisaya pero based in Manila right now, nakuha ko yung attention niya, nakuha ng content ng Konyo Bicolano yung attention niya, and yeah, inamin niya talaga na nakakatuwa, and then somehow naging na fan talaga siya ng Konyo Bicolano. He celebrated his birthday. He chose to celebrate his birthday dito sa Camarines Norte, at nag-wish lang siya sa isang kaibigan niya. Fortunately, kabistado ko yung kaibigan niya, one of my good friend, Jean. Hello sa'yo. Nasabi niya makapagpa-picture lang kay Konyo Bicolano, like super legit. Okay na yung birthday niya and okay na yung birthday niya and all. And of course, hindi ko palalampasin yung ganung klaseng moment. So I visited Vino Restaurant, and then together with Jean and with her friends and with her family, we sinurpresa natin si June. Yan, sinurpresa natin si June, and then nakakatuwa because yung reaction niya was for me really memorable, and hindi ko talaga siya malilingawan. And this kind of moments, these kinds of things na nangyayari sa Konyo Bicolano makes me wanna do more, makes me wanna inspire more people, and makes me wanna like parang gawin pa yung pinaka-vision talaga namin sa Konyo Bicolano, and that is to really make the world smile. And yes, ito yung ilan sa ito lang yung parang clip nung naging surprise namin. Like, yeah, make dalan this one. Ang dami ko nang tinataram-taram. Ito yan. So ako, sa moment na yan, kahit ako, I don't know how to react because grabe, sobrang surreal. Like, totoo ba, gagi pa? Like, hinintay niya ako, hinarelat niya ako and all, kahit di niya ako kabistado.
We have to blow this one. Kaya muna.
Sinadya ka pa talaga niya, may gift pa sa sa'yo. Kain na nila. Uy, picture like
I thank you, bro. Happy birthday. Kami pa yung nag-bake niya. That's so masarap. Happy birthday. And nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Like,
Why are you so like nanginginig and all? Are you like...
Hindi ako panoorin ko ulit itong video mo. Hindi ka na yung happy hours
Happy birthday.
Hindi sila nagagaling ng female, pero lagi siya buti nga nagkaroon daw kayo ng subtitles sa baba.
Kami kasi, okay na ako basta pa-picture ko kay Gagi Pare.
Ayan na. Pumunta talaga ako dito.
Ay, si Gagi
Pero kayo ng Manila. Nice, Jackie Barrett. Thank you so much. Kahit di mo naiintindihan. Appreciate it so much.
Ay, hindi na ako yung iba.
And so, that's it. Up until now, nangingirahat pa rin ako. Still very happy. Mix yung emotions ko, like super legit. Kami nung manager ko, mix pa rin yung emotion. Na may mga ganito pala talaga kaming taong napapasaya. So, I think this is also a major call out sa mga content creators dyan na just do the things that will make you happy. Happy tuloy. Gagi, nagkaparal pala ko. Do the things that will make you happy. Make sure na yung content mo is clear sa vision na gusto nitong ipaabot sa tao niya. Kasi sa amin, really clear. We really wanted to inspire people. We really wanted to promote the culture na meron kami, and at the same time, we really wanted to inspire everyone na nagdadalan. So, sa mga content creator dyan, do not focus on numbers. Huwag kayong mag-focus sa viewership. Just focus on the things that you're doing. See, kaya natin magpangirit ng tao without even, creating contents na nagmumura tayo or nananakit tayo ng iba. See, with this simple content, nakakapag-inspire tayo ng ibang tao. So again, hindi naman ako perfecto, like super tao pa rin ako, like pero hindi naman ako taong lipod or kikik and all. So, yeah, together, let's make social media a safe place for everyone. At sa lahat ng mga content creators na Bicolano dyan, padagos lang tayo. At sa mga upcoming na mga content creators dyan, I'm so excited na mahiling yung mga contents ninyo. And I'm so excited na ma-inspire ninyo yung mundo.
Ay, gagi, pare.